Now these are supposed to be numbered. This one is black.
Oh,
that can't be good. It's arcing.
Which means?
We got to find out. We have to take that
Why would it
block
arc?
Off. It doesn't have a good connection. This didn't get hot. It was all right here.
Oh,
that was like arcing. See how loose that is? Like he was saying, it's loose and that's not good.
Okay.
That's what's going on. It's loose. So we need to pull all these wires off.
Okay.
And these wires are all numbered. See, 2, 3, 4. This had number 1 on it. See?
Did we ruin that? It doesn't look ruined. It just looks burnt.
I don't think so. And always grab by the connector. Don't pull by the wire.
Oh, okay.
Wires are loose. So now we can pick this up. You're going to pick that up and put it on the table.
Ooh, what's this mean? Is that in camera?
Wow, I got really hot. I think, well, we'll check it.
Okay.
We'll make sure that there's nothing wrong with it. Let's do this. Let's do the relays first.
Okay.
And then we'll do that last. You take those out, but you only loosen these because it slips. You just loosen that and it slips out.
Oh, got it. Okay.
Yeah, it's going to slide out from under that screw, and there you go.
Oh no, they're all burnt out, hon. Look. It's like it was smoking inside there.
Eek, yeah.
That's scary, because look at how clear these are. Good thing we're replacing both of them.
That out as high as you can.
Okay.
And we're going to put this in your other hand. And as you pull one wire out, you're going to plug the other wire in. So you
I'm just going to do the same. I'm just going to
I think you want to start with the back.
Okay. This is really tight in here, actually. It's that red one. It's the red ones. I didn't move too much. I just moved the red ones forward a little bit. There we go.
Like a lever.
It's not coming out. Help me! I just don't want to break it, you know?
I know.
You do this stuff all the time. Oh! I got it!
Good.
Okay. I want to show you guys what this looks like, though. Check this. It's all burnt. You can see that it's burnt right there. And even through the top. At first it looks like a solid, and then when you look at the top, you can see that it was actually once clear. So we had ourselves a little fire in there. Pretty bad, right? What's next?
Now,
we were going to look at something. That?
Yes, that.
Okay.
So I think how that's going to work is, let's leave it out so you can get to it. You want to squeeze these together with the pliers, whatever, and take that cover off.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so this is the one that's loose. So we want to tighten that screw. Let's take it off first. Let's take the screw out and look behind it.
So what am I looking for?
I just want to look at the back side of it. Make sure there's no deposits or anything. Okay, that's fine. I'm just gonna put it back on.
What do you want to see?
I want to see if we can actually see how hot that got.
Mm-hmm.
I want to replace that. Because of the terminal being loose on the cover plate, actually it shows how hot it got, where it almost started melting. And it damaged the sheath, they call it, this cover. Just deteriorated, got very brittle and broke. So it wasn't protected anymore. So we just want to change that and replace this the way it was before. Okay, so we're just going to cut this. It has a fire protective coating on it.
Oh, that's cool.
So we'll twist this and we'll put this on here. Like so. We're sticking through just a little bit.
We're also going to put a new one on here because it looks like it's burnt out.
Fired up temporarily.
Sounds different.
Well, it heats up gradually, doesn't it?
It does. Should actually still be warming it up.
We got 53. Just popped up to 50.